Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making carrot and green pea masala. For this we need 200 grams of peeled and chopped carrot, 100 grams of green pea. You can use frozen or you can use fresh green pea, 1 medium sized chopped onion, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, turmeric powder, coriander seed powder, salt to taste, red chili powder to counter the sweetness of carrot, coriander leaf for garnishing, and green chili chopped. Add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic very finely chopped. Saute for a couple of seconds till garlic changes color. Now add 1 medium sized onion. Saute till onion is transparent. Toss it up. Now add 100 grams of green pea. Toss it for 30 seconds and then add 200 grams of finely chopped carrot. Toss it for 1 minute. Now add salt to taste. Toss it again. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and 2 green chili finely chopped. Now add 3/4 cup of water. Cover it and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now uncover it, mix it, add coriander leaf for flavoring and garnishing, and your carrot green pea masala is ready. So please try this healthy dish, carrot green pea masala. Thank you.